We're looking for the ducks, aren't we, Phoebe?
Yeah.
Here's the bread. Phoebe,
Ducks.
come on, let's go this way. Keep going straight. Be careful near the water, baby.
Pam.
There's the pram. Careful near the edge, Phoebe.
Hi.
That's it. Can you see any?
Back. Back.
Should we go this way?
Yeah.
Should we go right? Let's go this way, Phoebes. Come this way. You lead the way. Should we go right? That's it. You eating the bread? Is it nice? I see ya. I see ya. Sometimes they're in this little bit, but... Alright. Come on, let's go back to the main bit. Careful, baby. Oh, I hear something. Oh, Phoebe. I don't think there's any ducks to give them to.
Ah.
Oh, they must be sleeping.